Hey folks, what's up? We are here on the wonderful Malines Road. If you want to get connected from Harper Tree all the way down to Washington Boulevard, you have to come by Malines Road. For this entire month of March, we have our March Madness going on. Where if you sign up one person to join the company, we're going to give you I'm going to take this off. If you get one person to join the company, we're going to give you 3 free shipping coupons. And the person who signs up is going to get 1 free shipping coupon. Listen, there is no limit on the amount of persons they can get to sign up. So you know what that means? They can get no free shipping coupon. What if I free this? So come down, we're going to deliver some things. Forward. Let's do all that.
She's here from afar.
Hey, good afternoon.
Can't work and I tell you working for me, man.
She hiding. I'm here to tell you about the 3-for-1 promotion or March Madness. You heard about it?
Remember say he tell you do me. I do for me last time.
You know you're going to March
I see him
Madness?
full.
Well, if you get one person to sign up, we're going to give you 3 free shipping coupons.
No man, I
And
open
if
the
the
last
person that they
year.
get to sign up, they're going to get 1 free shipping coupon. Oh, that's all. Catch you later. Here. What's your company?
Alright.
Telecom, don't stop. Telecom.
Alright.
What do you want?
Yeah.
Computer, TV,
Okay, sell it and repair.
repair.
You hear that? Telecom. TV, phone repair. Right, that's it. Alright guys. Bye.